So I've got this lovely salad on the go today. Lemon, garlic, chicken, lovely chicken breast in there. And we've got some lovely eggplants and grilled peppers, bell peppers, some other lovely bits and pieces in there. Lovely flavors, lovely. Have I said lovely? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. So let's get our chicken prepared. What I've got there is I've got one chicken breast, no skin, no bone. I've cut it, down the middle. So we've got two nice thin pieces. What we're going to do is add some dried oregano. We're then going to add some lemon or lime juice and the zest of that said lemon or lime. I've used lime, as you can see. Garlic. Some olive oil, some black pepper, a little bit of salt. We're going to mix that around. If you like, you can keep that in the refrigerator overnight and it'll be super duper. I don't have time for that today, so we're just going to leave it for maybe 10, 20 minutes. And that's super. That's going to be really, really delicious for this salad. Really delicious. Job done. Okay, let's get our chicken ready. So getting this nice and hot. We're going to grab our beautiful chicken. In that goes. And any of the marination, get that on now. We're going to burn that off in the process of cooking. These are nice and thin. They're only going to take about 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to be flipping them quite a bit. Delicious, so easy. And that's beautiful, just like that. Off goes the heat. Out they come. Right, we're ready to make this salad now. So a little bit of hard work there with the chicken, the peppers and the eggplant, but we're now ready to go. So I've got some fresh mint there. If you wanted, you could use parsley. Lettuce, shredded. Tomato, fresh, cut nice and thick. There's our peppers. There's our beautiful chicken that we've just done. And I've just cut that into nice chunky pieces. Some Kalamata olives. I love those so much. Cucumber, feta cheese. And there is our eggplant. Let's get moving. So I've got a nice big large serving plate here. And as you can see, I've put my lettuce on there. Thick cut tomato. Cucumber. Let's get some of our lovely eggplant happening now on there. Some of the peppers. You can be adding a few other bits to this, as you like, really, as you please. Maybe some mushrooms or something like that could go on here nicely. Now our chicken, a beautiful, lovely chicken, garlic, lemon or lime in my case. Any little bits of juices there, on that goes. Don't want to waste that. Absolutely goodness that is. Some olives, some nice black olives. Like I said, I'm using these Kalamata, which I think are probably my favorite olive. I really do love them. In the center, I'm going to get some feta, fresh mint, and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, got some lime here, which we can squeeze on, or lemon, like I say. I've just got limes with me today. Little bit of lemon juice, avoiding the feta. Little bit of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. We're going to get a little bit of dried oregano in the center. Some black pepper. And we're done. That's a wonderful, well, what I think is a wonderful, wonderful chicken salad. Really, really nice. Greek style, I'm calling that, for obvious reasons. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.